Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need some pony beads, heart beads, some flowers, and some of these rings. And most of these you can find on bead tin. I also have a couple feet of string here and some scissors. And I am going to be using a needle, but this is optional. You're going to start with one pony bead, one ring, and then one pony bead. And we're going to do that with each color. And I'm just following the rainbow. You know what? I might move these over. Now we're going to repeat that one more time. Okay, this is what the pattern looks like. I'm going to pull these all the way down so we can tie it. So go ahead and make a knot. Okay, now we're going to go through this purple here. And we're going to take 3 of these flowers and 2 pony beads. Our pattern's going to be a flower, pony bead, flower, pony bead, flower. And we're going to go through the purple and the blue. That's what it looks like. And we're going to do that for all the colors. The next color is blue. So I have 3 flowers and 2 pony beads. We're going to start with the flower, pony bead, flower, pony bead, flower. You're going to take your needle and go through both of these pony beads. Okay, the next color is green. Okay, that's what it looks like. So if you notice, we're always going through the 2 beads in the middle of the ring beads. Okay, so we're going to do that for each color all the way around. I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay guys, I'm at the end here, and this is what it looks like with all of them on there. My last set was the pink here. We're going to go through these 2, and then we need to go up the flower and this pony bead and the flower. You're trying to get to the center of this purple one. Okay. Now we're going to add a pony bead, a heart, another heart, and a pony bead. So it looks like this. And we're going to be going through the middle flower of each of these. Okay, the next color, blue. We're going to go through the middle flower. Whoops. Go through the middle. Now you always know what colors to add because you want it to match up here. So yellow and then orange, if that makes sense. Okay, this is what it looks like so far. Okay, guys, we're right where we started on the purple and blue. I'm going to go ahead and do that part off camera, and then I'll show you how to tie it off and what it looks like. Okay, guys, I have my last set here, the pink and purple. What we're going to do is go through the flower, the purple flower, and we're also going to go back down through these because we're trying to get to this string where we first tied, so we can tie these together. And then when you get to the string, you can just tie these. And this is what it looks like. So this kind of reminds me of a scrunchie. So I think I'm going to call this a candy scrunchie. But it's pretty fun. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you next time.